Why you should buy a steam mop? A, it sanitizes. B, it mops the floor, gets rid of streaks and spilt items or coffee or whatever you spill on the floor. It also sterilizes and kills bacteria. It's better than a mop and bucket. It doesn't spray the dirty water everywhere. And also, it doesn't leave wet spots. You do not want a mop that leaves wet spots because you're not going to like your floors if you do that. Even the wet jet will leave wet spots. It won't completely remove dirt and grime. You need a good mop for that, in which I recommend the steam mop because then you can get rid of dirt and grime that way. And also it sterilizes. But the water recommended for a steam mop should be distilled water. Don't use tap water and don't use filtered water because it will cause calcium buildup. If you're going to use any water for a steam mop, use distilled water. It is recommended for any steam mop machine because you're going to spray the dirty water all over the place and it's disgusting and it's not nice. Excuse the mess outside. They're building a house down the street. I can't say who, it's confidential. That's not necessary. Never mind that noise. We just cue it. It's not necessary. Yeah, if you're going to think about getting a mop and you're new to a mop, buy a steam mop. Never mind the mop and bucket. Because that just sprays the dirty water everywhere and it's still you get wet spots. If you don't want wet spots, use a steam mop. The floors are nice, they feel warm, they're nice, and you can not worry about putting footprints on the floors, and your dog can walk on the floor. But if your dog makes a mess, you have to clean it. You have to vacuum your floors regularly. You have to clean your floors on a daily basis because you're going to get sick if you don't. You have to sweep or vacuum debris. That's very easy because of the type of vacuums people use. They don't want to be bothered plugging vacuums in the wall anymore. Now there's cordless vacuums. But the best cordless vacuum for vacuuming would be the Bizzle 2-in-1 iron pet. And that's the one I have. And it's called the Power Clean one. And what it does is it vacuums debris off the floor. It removes footprints. It is awesome for me. Because I need a vacuum that does hardwood and any kind of floor. And then I steam clean the floor after I vacuum all the dirt and crumbs. Because the steam mop will not remove crumbs. A little tip, before you mop your floors, anyone in this study, vacuum, dust, and get rid of debris. Then you can steam mop or do whatever mopping you do. But don't spray the dirty water and always rinse your mop out because it will spread dirt everywhere. And that's not sanitary. You should always if you have a mop head that you can put in like the washing machine, like the laundry machine, then put it in the laundry on a delicate cycle and you wash them separate. Because if you wash them together, you'll just get the static away. The whole idea is to pick up dirt. But I don't really like the spray mops because they leave debris. They don't really remove streaks, seriously. That's why I choose the steam mop to get rid of streaks because I was tired of just mopping. Because streaks would still come back if you use the spray mop, but they won't if you have a steam mop because it's really good on the floors.